Phidias 2.0 is live. Today we are going to cover everything that got updated, the new platforms, new accounts, new path to live. Let's dive right in. It's not just a new refresh, it's a brand new launch. Phidias 2.0 upgrades everything. The first massive upgrade is the 3 new platforms with Tradovate. Now available to all Phidias traders, Tradovate, NinjaTrader, and TradingView. All 3 platforms are available with one account at Phidias Propfirm. You can access Tradovate, NinjaTrader, or even execute your trades from TradingView. Now, let's dive into the fun part, the new accounts coming to Phidias. So here's the Phidias 2.0 account lineup. First, we have the Express to Live accounts replacing the static accounts. So we'll dive into all the details. It's the most expected one. Then we have the fundamental accounts. Unchanged, you still have the 3 sizes, all the same rules and requirements. And then third, the premium accounts. They are replacing the swing accounts and they are upgraded massively with brand new rules, better access to payouts, even more favorable and advantageous rules and requirements. So first, the trader's favorite account, the static account, is now replaced and rebranded by the Express to Live accounts. So let's see everything that got upgraded. You now have 4 different sizes. It's the most expected and requested improvement at Phidias. You now have the 25K static, which we already had before. You now have the 50K account, 100K account, and 150K account. So all 4 sizes are available with the exact same static account, static drawdown, fast access to payout, and live funding. So here are the specs for those accounts. So you can stop and screenshot if you want to, check everything, or you can click the link in the description with all the details for each account. You still have no requirements, no consistency, no added rules. You can pass in one day, get your payout the next day, 48 hours from sign up to payout, the fastest path to payout and live funding in the entire industry, now with 4 different sizes. And obviously, as the name suggests, you can get funded express to live, because in 48 hours, you can get your payout and transfer to a live funded account with daily uncapped payouts, no rules, no consistency, no trading drawdown, nothing. It's like your own account that you get in only 48 hours with those 4 different sizes. Now, second account change is the swing account completely rebuilt into the premium accounts. First, you get to pass your evaluation in only 1 single trading day, versus previously it was 3 trading days, so you can get funded much faster. Once you're funded, instead of having 10 trading days requirement, you can now pay out every 5 trading days. So you can get funded in 1 day and then in 1 week get your payout. The next massive upgrade of the premium account is the progressive profit split. The more payouts you make, the more profit you take home. And you can get up to 100% profit split at your 5th payout and going forward. So here's exactly how it plays out. First payout is 75%. Then second is 80%, 85%, 90%. And from the 5th payout, it's 100% of your payout that you take home. So with the new upgrade of the 5 trading days to payout, you can now achieve the 5th payout in only 25 trading days. So almost only a month. So obviously we kept the most important feature of the swing account, the overnight and over the weekend hold for the premium accounts. So here's the recap of all the massive new features. And you can see that I did not mention the last one, the reset of the cash account. We have added to the premium account only the available feature to reset your cash account. So when you combine all those features, there is not a single account in the entire Propfirm industry that can match all those features. This is what a true premium account is meant to be. Now, the final part, the path to live has been massively upgraded. We've listened to all your feedback. The old 3 payouts limit is now completely removed, and we upgraded it to a $100,000 in cumulative payouts to get transferred to live. So obviously the risk management team can decide to transfer you to live before that amount, but once you reach the $100,000, you are automatically transferred to live. And obviously, this path to live update is not for the express to live, because the express to live accounts, you get transferred to live after you first pay out. And now, here's what's not changing with Phidias 2.0. You still get 90% of your payouts processed under 30 minutes, a 24-hour access to the support team, and zero payout denial. So let's recap everything that got upgraded with Phidias 2.0. 3 platforms added to the lineup: Tradovate, NinjaTrader, and TradingView. Then we also added 2 new accounts. The static accounts become the express to live accounts with 4 new sizes. And the swing accounts are massively upgraded into premium accounts. And finally, the path to live is not capped at 3 payouts, but $100,000 in cumulative profits. And for the Phidias 2.0 launch, we are making a new sale with the code Tradovate. Get the best discount available with up to 80%. So get to the first link in the description below, Phidias Propfirm /account, and use the code Tradovate at checkout to get up to 80% discount. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like the video, comment, and this is it for the Phidias 2.0. I hope you're ready, because we are even more stuff coming in the near future, and I'm sure you are going to like it. All right, so make sure to click the first link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.